Hey, what's going on, everyone? Quick video to update everyone regarding Ling Cod in California. So I just got an email from CDFW, and let me highlight this here. The daily bag limit for Ling Cod will increase from 1 to 2 fish south of 40 near Cape Mendocino. So this is already in place, okay, June 1st, 2019. So it looks like it's going to affect basically everyone in California because Cape Mendocino is way north. Here is the boundary line for Cal and Oregon. And let's zoom in here. Yeah, so this is San Francisco. So Cape Mendocino is here, and everything south of Cape Mendocino, the daily bag limit for Ling Cod has been increased from 1 to 2. So cool. So in celebration, we may have to go out and do a trip targeting specifically Ling Cod. As you know, I'm good with sharing, so if you want to join me on any outing, feel free to email me at adventureforth@gmail.com. Hey, get out there, have fun, be safe, and we will see you soon. Bye for now.